Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your games private on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see the Library tab. Go ahead and click on it to access your full game collection. Now in the left panel, you'll see your entire list of games. Find the specific game you want to make private, then right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. Hover your mouse over the Manage option, and from the submenu that appears, click Mark as Private. This feature is particularly useful if you want to keep certain games hidden from your friends or public profile while still displaying others. After clicking, a confirmation window will pop up asking you to verify your choice. Simply click Mark as Private to confirm. The game will now be hidden from your public profile, meaning other users won't be able to see it in your library or track your playtime for that specific title. Alternatively, if you prefer to hide all your game details at once rather than marking individual games as private, there's a broader privacy setting you can use. In the upper right corner of Steam, click on your username. This will open a drop-down menu where you should select View My Profile. Once your profile page loads, look at the right panel and click Edit Profile. This takes you to your profile customization area where you can modify various settings and information displayed to other users. In the left panel, you'll notice several menu options. Click on Privacy Settings to access Steam's privacy controls. Here you'll find the Game Details option with a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on that drop-down menu and select Private from the available options. This setting is more comprehensive than the individual game method because it hides your entire game library and playtime from everyone, not just a specific game. And that's it. You've successfully made your games private on Steam, either individually or your entire collection. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.